Hi everybody, it's the famous white bag. We all know what that means. We mean it's an unenveloping unbagging. Super excited, and this unbagging is brought to you by FGNormal. I'm telling you guys, they're kicking it up. They have some new stuff on their site and you're going to love it. So, are you guys ready? This one, I have no idea what this one is. So let's dig in and see what's in this beloved white envelope. I love that their prices are reasonable. You get some snack size pieces. They are poured glue. It's great. I believe most of them are round or they are special drill. Ooh, so this one is 34 colors. You do see symbols and letters and some numbers. Look, crafting journey. 1 is 1 and 2 is 2. I always think of you when I see that. Like you can see, it is poured glue, and I have wanted this for quite a while. And when I saw this one, which is roughly, I want to say $7 on their site. It's a 30 by 40. I was like, golden, I need this in my life. Isn't it cute? OMG. Okay, so you get the standard toolkit. I mean, it's a snack size. So you're gonna get a single placer, which is 1 drill a piece. That's why it's single. Maybe it needs to go on a date. Make it a double. You get the green boat and you get some wax. This is plenty of wax, even though it looks small. There's lots of wax in there. Okay, this is round. Like I said, it's poured glue. It's nice and sticky. And it is a 30 by 40. I'm going to measure it on camera just so you guys get an idea. Normally, these discounted stores are going to measure the canvas itself, not the drill area. So yes, this is 35, probably by 25. Yep. Look how clear those symbols are. You're not for worry to tell what they are. You've got great color. And I just loved this image ever since I saw it. And I know I'm not a surfer, but I just really liked this little VW van. I just loved it. So I'm very excited about that. Let's look at the drills. Usually the drills are a chain. You can see here it does not have the DMC codes on the drills themselves. This one doesn't even have it on the key. Sometimes it is on the key. These colors are bright and vibrant. This is what we call a train because they're all attached. And the machine fills it by weight. Look at all these beautiful colors. If you can see in there, there's not any trash. And they're loose, so there's not oil, and they fall right back down, so there's not that static cling that sometimes happens. Great job, FGNormal. I have purchased from them before, and I have done some of their paintings before. Okay, so next, I did get a special drill because I don't have a special drill of theirs, and I wanted to see what their special drills were like. So maybe this is the special drill because it is the lighter package. Ooh, it is, and look at that. Okay, so I have it in the package. You can see much of it is already painted, but there are the numbers. Right there, all around there, and right in the center. It has 8 special drills. It's a 30 by 30. Let's see what this mandala has in store for us. so cute. It's a little snack, but it is beautiful. I loved these plum and gold colors. Looks like rhinestones. You're gonna have some purple rhinestones, some gold. This is that deep purple plum. Here's some yellow. And then these are the special drills. So there's 3 special shapes. You got purple teardrops. Ooh, I know these are hard to work with, but I love how beautiful they are. Really tiny slivers. And then these are more, I think this part is the back part and the gold is the front part. I'll have to see, but I think that's it. The silver part is the flat part. Yeah, so these are beautiful. Can't wait to do this. Sit good on the couch watching a movie. You know, even though you have to pay attention to symbols, it's not quite like a full-fledged diamond painting. I will need to use a light pad because the paint color is so dark, not because it's unclear. All right, let's see what I came up with next. All right, this one, Mayhem, Creative Mayhem, did something similar to this a while ago. Hers was a little bit larger, and I just wanted to try it myself. This is a round, and I'll show you what I mean by round. So it's got 24 colors. As you can see, it's letters. And this is actually, it's not a partial, it's a full, but it's a circular diamond painting. Okay, so you can cut it out and actually frame it. And I thought this was beautiful with the lotus. It's a 40 by 40, which I have a feeling is going to be 30. Yep, 33 and a half by 30, almost 34. But I just thought that was beautiful. You can cut it out, frame it. You could put it on a canvas, a circular canvas. You could even get one of those stretchers that you use for cross stitch that go around it, and you could paint it a certain color. It is round. And let's see here. The DMC codes are on the key, but not on the drills. It's a very pastel-y kind of painting, but the colors are beautiful. So you've got these blues, you've got some purples and pinks here. That navy color is pretty. Got some, there's the blues, and this is kind of green here. Yeah, so I'm very excited to try this one as well. And it's just a simple lotus flower, and they have several of these on their site. And I had 3 in my cart, and I had to pick one of the 3 because I need to save something for later, right? Can't do it all in the video. Although I'm sure a marathon unboxing would be fun as well. Also came with the standard toolkit. Getting a lot of these toolkits here. All right, so that one, the special drill one was €5, so that's $6 US dollars. The surfing one was €5.99, so that's $7. The lotus one was also €5.99, so that's $7. And this one I saw, and I've only seen on FGNormal. You guys can tell me if you saw it someplace else. This one was €4.99, so I believe that's roughly €6. So this is 23 colors. You can see the symbols are very clear. Another toolkit. It is round. And on this one, they do have the DMC numbers on the actual drills themselves. And it's a plethora of colors. You see here. I just really liked it. They called it Love Tree. and I felt like it was simple but yet expressive. It is poured glue, and I just felt like I'd have a lot of fun with it. When I saw it, I had to have it. It's a 30 by 40, which most likely means it's a 25 by 35-ish. Like I said, it's poured glue. It does not have the training wheels or dummy circles. It does look like it could be set up for square, but it is round. It's just expressive. It almost reminds me of somebody holding a heart, even though it's a tree. So I hope you enjoyed this FGNormal unboxing. Go check them out. I always say, as you can see, these were very simplistic in nature. If you're going to buy snack sizes, they're out there. They're ready. They're great, but you're going to want to pick stuff that's simple, that doesn't have a lot of detail. Otherwise, you may be frustrated. And if you go back and you look at all my snack sizes, the majority of them are very simple in nature. So I hope you enjoy this. Go check out FGNormal. Let me know what you think. Is there something out there that you love off of their site? So until next time, be blessed. Take care.